If you wanna turn off voicemail on your iPhone, don't worry, I will walk you through it step by step. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap apps. Now all you have to do, find out and tap on phone. In the phone settings, now look for call forwarding and tap it. Now you will see a switch for call forwarding. If it's turned on, tap the switch to turn it off. It means your calls won't automatically get sent somewhere else. So if your voicemail was being triggered by forwarding, this can stop. But if you see voicemail is still turning on, that means voicemail is controlled by your SIM company, not in your iPhone settings. In that case, contact your SIM service provider and request them to turn off voicemail. Once they turn it off, your calls will stop going to voicemail completely. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.